text. He said, all of the money I put aside for my kids' college funds and everything, he said I threw it all into Ondas.
And now they could go to college 5 times.
And now their kids, his kids will have free college now for the amount of money that he's going to
110-point gain MNQ, manager win. GG.
Let's go. Bang, bang. Look at that upper wicket slap on SPY. Q's is a lot weaker. Your Vol D is positive. Your Vol DQ is slightly negative.
IWM hit resistance right at yesterday's high day.
Yo.
To the
I
penny.
think we're gonna drill more.
If we had BK here, he would be telling us that the opening tick was pretty high. So TBD.
Minus 804 on the opening tick.
Yeah, ADD breath opening pretty negative, but going straight back to zero.
Q's a lot weaker.
Way weak.
What else? What's selling hard on tech other than Meta? NVIDIA. Let's see.
Apple gap down pretty heavy.
Yeah, NVIDIA a little downside. Candle. I think Google a little downside.
1 second, guys. Hold up. Sorry, I'll hop on a call really quick there. I'm going to be looking at a put spread today. Already down 0.9. Tomorrow, yes, NFP, but we also have the tariff voting. So I would
I'm gonna
definitely
take a 240 put on Amazon.
look into that tariff voting at 10 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
That is going to make a move one way or another.
Alright, this is a support level SPX 6900.
Today is a put spread. Just give it time.
Oh yeah.
Give
Oh,
it
yeah.
time.
Hey, give me the Billy. 600.
Mama.
Target looks good. I trimmed the target swings from last week. I know I mentioned them on here last week. I'm down to just runners
Nice.
for February.
I just trimmed out some Google puts here.
Bro, these damn MCore puts aren't moving. The stock's down 3%.
Dude, there's a lot of love for Amcor. Watch meta. College at the 50 here. I might forgo these Amazons if meta turns around.
Trail
Nice
stop
spot.
and profit there on both M and Q. 160 points on the initial position and 50 points on the most recent ladder.
I love how Google was gapped up like $7 and it just gave it all up immediately.
Mm.
There's a lot of put flow that came in this morning on Google.
On the Googies.
Yeah, Goog and Google both had a little bit of put flow.
Okay, googly.
Rivian is doing nice, breaking out. Oscar, after its morning dip, is coming back a bit. I sold my calls on Oscar that I grabbed yesterday because I was already up 80%.
Solid.
And knowing Oscar, I know it'll come back in. So take those profits and I'll redo it again another time. Ooh, Core Weave.
He'll do it again.
Core fucking Weave.
Core weave.
Yes.
All right, nice bounce. I'm gonna trim back my ads here. All out spy and Google. This was fun.
Vita still not much like at all.
IWM right up about a 25% retracement into a new high a day.
Yeah. I've done gold stuff too.
I'm watching WDC holding the 9 EMA on the daily. I started a long position there yesterday for a 2-month swing. ASTS is just so sexy.
Space.
Almost as sexy as you, Mr. Paper.
You're right. Dude, I was holding. I'm just sitting here. I don't know. We'll see. Nvidia new lows. No love.
Ain't no love.
I just get what the Kratos 19%. Yo.
For anyone that didn't see the, Trump was like talking about Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, some of those dividends, buybacks and stuff. Then he came back in after hours and said that he's going to increase the military budget for 2027 from 1 trillion to
He said
$1.5
it
trillion.
should be $1.5 trillion.
Well, what Trump
Amazon
says,
looks
he
like
gets.
it's ready to pop. It's
Yeah.
less than high a day, and it could really get a ripper off here. I am in a small call position. However, I'm not exactly bullish on the market today, so it's pretty high risk.
Well, yeah, some of these staples or costs go back over the 50.
Yep.
So
Target,
Tesla's
about to
Rivian.
go green.
Yeah. I have Embraer too from way back when. That thing's fucking way up. Oh, dude, what's the car Ford? What's Tessie doing? Is Tessie even alive? Oh, shit.
425 big bounce.
Google new low of day coming in.
Dude, Nvidia. Friday low. Nvidia.
All right, now these these puts, excuse me, are up 13%. Feeling that might be some voodoo, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna give it a bit.
Yeah, a lot of Dow names too. I'm the HT go. Nvidia drilling.
Oh, we're drilling today.
Dude, my long term looks like a damn EKG with this Lockheed Martin swing.
Love it. Circle flat. Oh gosh, ASTS just erasing the move yesterday.
There's a new low on Amcor.
This is what I mean, man. Like, yeah, yesterday it was down 12% and it was nasty, but did we break structure on the higher time frame? Nope. Does it really matter? We're down 12%. I mean, Rocket Lab, new highs. And ASTS just needs to do it. I'm in a little bit of a range on NQ here. I'm not really doing much. Once we hit that Asia low,
We should break under that 600.
You guys think SPX is just gonna break today under this huge support? I'm just curious.
I think there's a lot of uncertainty.
do that.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of uncertainty on what's going to happen tomorrow at 10 a.m. I think that's a big thing.
MNQ long, red candle buy.
Um,
Looking for a takeout breakout below pre-market low.
I'm also, we're sitting at that on cues that you could draw a line straight across, and we couldn't close above it yesterday. From the October 29th high down across, we couldn't break above those wicks.
Gain MNQ sold half.
We're sitting on the daily 9 for NASDAQ. The low of day was SPX's daily 9 and 6900 support.
Yep.
We already bounced 15 points off of there.
We basically hit the 21 as well for cues.
And my exit got filled at 85 cents in my Amcor put.
Big gain here on Amazon.
Yeah, it's there. Amazon new highs.
Yeah. I'm in at about 46 cents on the 247.50s, but even if you got in when I mentioned a couple minutes ago, you should easily be up 50%. IWM just back tested yesterday's high a day, and it's springboarding off of there. We could get a little reversion.
Break even stop hit. MNQ.
Oh shit. Damn, I did not even see that. Two up on the day. Very good. Nvidia. What?
Hit the long again here. Red candle buy.
Yeah.
MNQ.
About that time.
I'm watching the meetup. Possible
Nvidia to find
reversal.
some type of bid here.
45 call, 287. I don't know.
15-point gain MNQ sold half.
Dude, that's awesome.
Oh,
Testing your
Apple
high.
is 255 area.
Yeah, I just trimmed the Apple shorts on the
I see
swing.
a 10-minute close above pre-market low for the sweep to play out. I am concerned of a 10-minute EMA rejection though from the shorts.
At least setting up for a little bear flag bounce. Or if that already played.
Hoodie filled the gap that it had. I have an algo level at 114.77s.
I had it at 115 3/4, but yeah. It's you have 114.70.
Break even stop hit MNQ.
I didn't have that one, but yeah, if it stays down here, it's still no good. I have 110 puts on hoodie for the short term trade and short 100 calls like against equity.
It could have a spot here. The algo levels cluster together different predictions, so that way it's kind of like a liquidity level, like we're
Yeah.
trying to predict where people will place their orders.
Tessie gap filled. Overnight gap. The fuck? That's fucking crazy, man. Oh, super copy. Iridium. Or we with the big old reverse.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, yo.
Dude, I got drained in like 20 seconds. Oh my
These
god.
final couple Amazon, I did set to break even. I did about 100% on that. But even that voice secondary alert, you should have hit 60, 65%.
Nail.
Just runners left.
Did my HD recover? Oh, my HD has recovered.
Nice.
HD.
HD at the lows.
Oscar's still walking up there.
Oh, China's great. China.
I want Sage to drop, man.
Oh, Baba. Not all China. Take it back.
Just that one.
Woo.
It's coming down.
Wild.
Yeah, we should see new lows.
There was a bunch of size that just filled on in Q2, right near those that
Apple looking
high.
dumpy.
Everything is looking dumpy.
Look at my HG. They just fucking rip straight line up from the lows. Damn. It's like almost 10 bucks.
Long gold here. 10 minute CBT.
How the fuck does that happen? That's Home Depot. Shoot.
It was off the cliff.
I was ready to fucking close my Home Depot. And then it's like, hello. Jesus. Corey in reverse. Shit.
What the hell?
Love it. I mean, I almost closed out my target swings yesterday, and I'm like, thank God I didn't.
Oh yeah, look at the depot. That is looking pretty.
Yeah, see, that looks good.
What'd you get for that, Pape?
What? I have February 370 calls.
Okay, nice.
That's daily range high right there already. Boom, boom, boom. Holy schmoly. But so this would be, it's currently inside day setup, but I got the 50-day at 257 right now. Just bounce, breach the 20. It's like in that squeeze zone. Tessie got filled, not extending. Meta at the lows. I'm still watching. I'm not a trade yet. Not a day trade.
Cooking.
Dude, the DeFi, holy schmoly.
Come on, give us new lows. We're not done yet. Let me get my put
And
spread.
30 minutes till IB forms, and if we keep looking how we're looking, it should be data to break the lows.
Looks slushy.
Yeah. Ugly. Look at hoodie, dude.
There we go, new low.
Silver down almost 5% today. The futures.
I'm not selling yet.
Gold, I lost 6 points.
I did take some silver out of the safe, but I have not run down to the pawn shop yet.
So
It's just
Jay
a weapon
done.
that's was bad.
Jay done yet.
I had what I have that was like that the other day. I had Datadog that I was long some like medium term calls, and it looked wiki like down to 130 and then kaboom, exploded right off of that.
Jeez, net's down 5%.
Yeah. All right, Rita, I'm watching. Possibly 645s if it bounces there. I don't know. I want it a little bit lower. Hoodie drilling.
If MU keeps dropping, I'm going to be looking for calls longer dated. Come down, baby. Get under 320.
Oh,
Yes.
dude, I might be able to jump in that short.
For what?
A lot. Near term. There's a lot of gaps down there, but
Oh, the moo?
yeah.
Yeah. I've been trying to buy it basically on every 1 to 2 day dip.
I like your Western Dig. I mean, the market cap on Seagate and Western Digital, they're really not horrendous.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, no, Western Digital. I'm probably going to also complement that with put spreads.
Oh, that's your Super Bowl.
I just think it's gonna
That's uber bullish.
keep grinding. Damn, I'm gonna get a little bit of things I want here. Zeta's dipping. Come on, keep going. No, market more. I need more.
No market.
A 545 to 500. I want to start a put spread. I think we can maybe get the 500 for for NQ, but
This is exactly where Casey and I were talking about this morning on Q. 617, 618s.
1738.
Are we at the 20 day?
Yes,
1738.
we're on the 20 day right here, right now.
Yeah, if we end the day down here, I'm going to continue to probably end up swinging a short. Because we lose this, it's bye bye. For a next
You know, I'm surprised VIX is not up higher right now.
We have NFP tomorrow. Oh, hoodie, dude, 114. Just
I mean,
drill.
Q's can breach 615 today. I think that's easy.
Take my hoodie down. Go for it, dude. Show me fucking 70s. Fuck it. I'll be happy.
I have an alert set at 60 to start thinking about buying. Then I have another alert at 10 to buy the rest. Full board.
Yes. Verse mortgage.
Yeah. Daddy, how did we lose our house? Well,
There's this guy named Paper.
Fucking paper.
yeah, long story short, kids, he fucked me.
Whoa, what did I just hear?
Nothing that you haven't seen on the hub that you always talk about.
Oh my.
Oh, dude, I'm talking about the earnings hub, but unfortunately, there's not much going on the hub today. I haven't been on the hub that much this week.
There will be in a week or so, though.
Honestly, dude, I'm degenerate. I'm looking at Tilray earnings on the hub, but other than that, we got nothing, man. The hub has been very dry.
There's a nice bounce off that gap fill NDX. SPY's still holding up decently. Very choppy on SPY.
Let's just say, like, we're still above the.
I might take
the
this
level.
one on just for a second.
But your Vol D is it just made new lows. It's still Vol DQ or sorry Vol DQ is selling. So yesterday you had Vol DQ holding up while Vol D was selling. Today you have Vol D moving higher, still positive, but your Vol DQ is doing the exact opposite. It's very weak and selling.
Oh,
Banks
HDZ.
are ripping. Energy's ripping.
Look at my
Staples are ripping.
Depot.
The homeless depot?
Yeah. Fucking $10 reversal from the lows. Jesus Christ.
There we go. Boy, I needed that bounce.
So I wasn't sure yet, but before I came up, I heard some Robinhood slander. What was going on there?
There we go.
I wasn't here for that, so
Oh, goodness.
Nice candle SPY. SPX defending that 6,900.
damn, that is a pop and a half.
Just breaking through a level I have, buddy. But that's not
SPY's approaching pre-market high here.
BG.
4 cents off.
Nice. Oof. Ah, yeah.
What the difference between NQ and ES? Again, an NQ.
Oh, I didn't think we were gonna get that far down there to fill that gap, but here we are.
Okay, back.
Nice 20-day bounce on Qs. SPX still held the 6,900 support.
Let
About
it
to gap fill.
again.
We're only 5 points away from gap fill on SPX.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a stab at the 688 puts.
I'm gonna take a stab at some eggs. I'll catch you guys later. And we're
Heard that.
Peace out, fellas.
Peace out.
Later, Gator.
I think we could pop up to 676. It's 15-minute fair value, but I expect us to slaps from there.
SPY's trying to get in the gap fill too.
Yeah.
Like 30% on the meta, like reversal thing, but let's see.
Look at ES. So much
We're about to
stronger.
go green.
SPY pre-market high here.
Dude, fucking Depot.
All right. I'm gonna get some QQQ calls pulled up here in just a second. Or now. Let's see.
100 points off the lows now.
I was
Yeah,
wondering.
I'm putting
I'm trying-
25,600 on
I'm trimming that meta bounce.
Here's the 9 EMA on the 5 here.
I was
You
wondering
got pre-market.
if it's 10s to sell, not.
Oh, baby, there goes that pop.
Yeah, into that 15-minute fair value. Watch for rejection here.
Guys, I closed out the puts
For that.
upon pre-market break.
IB farms in 20 minutes.
Well, if you took ES, you're up 25 points.
Yeah, ES is just soft.
Unfortunately, I took NQ, so I'm not up as much.
You have a potential morning star on QQQ 5-minute that's going to close about 35 seconds.
I'm expecting rejection here on NQ and to set up to play out IB data.
SPY's coming in for the gap here. I'm basically filled. I had a call come in, just sound like still alive. Testing, breaker.
You're alive.
Yay.
What will change my thoughts on us seeing a new low
Is what the fuck, Home Depot? Jesus.
if within 20 minutes before 10:30 we can get new high a day, then my thoughts are done. The downside. Yes, doing it. It's going to be one of those days that potentially, if NQ stays down here, where you have different IB data because we're so diverged.
Look at the
If we're
iDubs.
high on Apple 260, I could easily see a retest.
Prior all-time high.
Yeah, back test from the downside. Those are like $70.
Yeah, we're there, right? That two.
Well, it's below it. So I'm thinking like, well, it could bounce up, retest it from the low end if it does give a clean reversal here. It's not yet, but if it does, it's possible.
I'm also just watching, if you have the weekly, that next weekly gap we have.
Oh, it's gross.
I'm looking at that, but also if you just like mark a line at that gap fill at the close price of October 13th that week, and then just look left, it's also just aligned perfectly with that other gap, which has already been filled, of course, but I just think that's even more kind of constructive there,
For sure.
doubled up. And then, so I don't know, I'm expecting bids off that for Apple, but we'll see. And it's kind of perfect, right? It's just below that previous all-time high, right? All the people that are trying to buy all-time high.
Yeah, that's
all-time
like
high get rugged on a little bit, and it stays them out just
exactly
to buy it back up.
No, so 260 is gonna be the
Tesla
flip
new
for
high.
sure.
Yeah.
Oh shit! It made it.
Is that really?
Those cards.
It is.
Gold, no.
Goldilocks.
Costco is up 4%.
Costco's on a
Dude, I know I stopped out with it. I'm long MQ here, 10-minute red candle buy.
as well. I had that morning star off the 5-minute. See if we can get a push.
Don't hate it. We're looking at 623s. Back to the ties. Hoodie. Is it a liquidity grab? Is it?
Liquidity grab.
622 QPQ. Store.
Do it. Grab it and you dang.
What did he say?
What did he say?
Yank the rug.
That's messed up, man.
Yeah, what he
The way
said.
you are.
Yo, guys, I can't get over Kratos. I've been just staring at Kratos for
I do.
a decent amount of today.
Yeah,
It's insane.
killer.
It's my favorite stock this year, honestly.
Look at
Um, So I put it out on 12/31, and I wrote a whole thread about why I think Kratos is going to be the biggest winner. And today we're seeing, Northrop is probably going to win the UCAV program, and the Kratos QX58 Valkyrie is going to be a huge part of that. And if they're going to put 2 drones for each unit, that's going to be thousands of drones. I think the Kratos is going to make a lot of money this year.
I like it. Plus, it's a deal breaker. Nate will tell you all about it.
Yeah.
A lot of bills.
I've never heard of that before.
Stocks over 75 go to 120. Pretty cool. In fairly short order. Dude, my data dog gave it all back.
Dater dog. Dater.
Data dog.
Your dater dog.
Guys, reminder for the audience, if you're enjoying the show every morning, make sure you're liking the post and sharing out the spaces here. I appreciate everybody.
You had Dan. IWM keeps holding.
Yeah, IWM is just beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like January or something.
By the
No.
way, Jordan,
Yeah.
There's a post up in the nest that everyone should check out if they want. If they like cool free stuff.
Agree.
Cool free.
You know, like a free,
Announcement.
The way you said free was great there. Go free.
free stuff.
Yeah, free. Free's the best price. Didn't know.
Oh, I got so many jokes right now. I'm exploding with jokes, man.
Holden, we were trying to reclaim this 4-hour shorter block, a little shorter block on Intuith here. Still just at the tip of this 15-minute fair value.
Where were you
Waiting
loaded from, Emp?
Like 600 the second time. I got stuffed out on the first one.
Okay.
I added from 600 down to 570s.
Nice. Nice big win there.
Yeah, it got me back decently above water here.
Got you right.
I kind of think I can hold this like the rest of the day. Honestly, there we go.
Yeah, I think you potentially can too. I'm kind of just, I took a
20 point gain and then you sold half. Buy red, sell green.
I forgot to send it.
Now, I want to see if we want to play out this IB data that's going to form, or
I just filled the overnight gap. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the airport in about 30 minutes.
That's kind of wiki.
Mhm.
Do we have data coming right now?
No.
No, we're past data.
No data.
Oh,
Data's
dude,
done.
iDubbbz is just grinding.
Look at your banks and your energy.
I don't know. I'm just looking at my poor Datadog.
Dude, what's the last? XLP is up 2%.
That's kind of sketchy.
Lord. I mean, how heavy is Costco weighted over there, though? Even Costco, I think Costco put out numbers last night.
Blue Apple. Amazon's still holding at the highs. Decent little pullback and bounce. OMG. I mean, I don't really need to do anything else. I got the Depot, I got iDubbbz, I got Amazon's. I mean, I think I'm good. I got Kratos, but that's equity.
So AMDs and Google are the only pretty things?
1738.
What?
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
Such
Yeah,
a
you remember when
pretty.
that shit like dropped?
Dude, and Vita. 184s.
We were bumping then.
R.I.P. Fetty Well.
Dude, I was like 12.
I don't know if he's dead, but I was at her.
Nah, he's just not active, or at least not good enough to be.
Is he still in prison?
He was in prison?
I think so.
Nah, dude, he's been making music this whole time.
Well.
He didn't go to prison.
I don't know if he went to prison. I'm sure he went to prison. But I mean, he hasn't been in prison recently. Like, that's not why he's making music.
All right, I'm about to safety trim cues here in a second. Getting up to your 5-minute 21.
I mean, it looks okay. Looks good.
I don't know. You guys were so bearish, especially that bull trade finder guy. He should change his name. What a loser.
Well, actually, I want put spread, so I really am bullish. I just wanted to go lower to do it, and they got me.
I'm with you on that. I played a long still, but I had to get out of it and wait for this data now. Because I don't know for sure that we can
I'm waiting to
Trace all the
see
way
to
up
get
from
an,
there.
to get my trade in. Yeah.
Guys, I'm
I
just watching.
do wish I took those 610 spreads though.
You're just watching Kratos go higher again.
It looks like it wants to make another run for it, man. It looks like it wants to make a run for it.
I know.
I bought some iron this week.
I don't hate
Iran.
that. I don't hate it.
Yeah, I like iron a lot also this year. Bitcoin out of my thesis.
Gross.
Is it higher?
Gross.
Oh, I thought you said bros. I was like, all right, I'll look at
agree.
bros.
I haven't looked at pros in a while.
Dude, it's climbing, dude. It's in the right space if this is what we're gonna do.
It's crazy. Like peak.
Dude, did you see my Celsius over 50 yesterday?
Oh yeah.
That fuck.
I just love how first like official trading week in January, they just pump Bitcoin to previous month highs, get everybody bullish.
Nuts.
Oh, me? Yeah.
Have you seen Home Depot?
I last saw it when it was at 350. Now it is at 357.
It's funny. I drew a box on Home Depot at 335. Like,
Well, first you have to say it correctly.
it came back to it again.
Dude, what if this is the annual trade that's like, all right, fine. You know, remember that you buy Home Depot late Q4 and by mid Q1, you're like 99% of the time green, or late Q2.
Well, Frankie told me that everyone bought houses without inspections 3 years ago, 4 years ago.
That's true also.
And repairs now.
So I think this is just Sniper's prediction, Sniper's guess, and Sniper's opinion. So you can do what you want with this. But I think with Trump's comments yesterday about the single family and institutions, pretty much he's going to step in there and apparently attempt to stop institutions from buying single family homes. I think we're going to start to see some real estate prices cool down if that takes effect, because we know that institutional investors are buying most of the single family homes. But I think Home Depot stock is going to be good for just about as long as we're building buildings, which doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon.
Yeah. We love
it's just
to build
about
shit, man.
how much buildings we're going to be making and how fast we're going to be
Man,
making.
you know who loves
you
to
know.
build shit? Dubai. They love.
Where's it already coming from here? What?
Came out of left field.
You know who loves to build shit?
You want like a crazy reversal that's like Sniper. You want like a crazy reversal that's like very GM or GE-esque is 3M that fits that thesis too.
Yeah.
And if you don't know, they have a shitload of home builder materials and whatever, but they spun off that Solventum, the healthcare piece like a year ago. The thing was on it's a pretty clean reversal from the lows of 80s, but here now, she could see all-time highs soon, and then some.
I believe we may pull in here.
I'm just trying to figure out how to invest in Dubai's Home Depot.
Oh,
If we don't get over 700 here, we're going to pull in my opinion, again. And I will be looking for a put spread down by 600. Maybe a little bit lower. At that point, if we're at 600, we're
Whoa.
probably seeing new lows.
what
But...
the fuck's happening to MSCR?
Did you take your put credit spread yet?
No.
I should have. I'm mad I didn't.
I think I'm
Buddy.
14 cents in that.
I think
Where
I'm
are you
still
going?
good looking at one right now for SPX.
I mean, it's possible we could just continue higher. We're kind of stalling here is the only concern that I'm looking at.
SPY's building a 15-minute squeeze right now, and all signs are still positive, pointing upside.
And we could be flagging here like that.
Here we go. See, look. See, you talk about the squeeze, and it's like, motherfucker, I get to you.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You got me.
You got him.
I want to see them break 700 and 705. Those are my two spots.
Oh, it's
SPY
blue
gap
reversal.
fills right at 690 site level. That's
Oh.
And then Vol DQ is fighting the zero line. It's the only thing that is like dragging ass right now on the internals. Everything else is still very, very positive.
And
Yeah.
I was really worried about this DraftKings the last day or two. as like maybe a fake breakout, but she wants to bounce now.
Hey, Games, you want to see something really interesting?
What's that?
I'm looking for the post I made like a day or two ago. Have you ever looked at DraftKings revenue by year?
Yes. Do
Dude,
you see what they're expected to do this quarter? It's fucking disgusting.
dude, I think if they can fix their acquisition costs, I think that they can.
I mean, it's just if they have you played with their prediction market app yet? DraftKings
Yes,
predictions. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But I mean, it changes their business model as a whole. I mean, it at 20 something, it was a solid dip by not too long ago post earnings, but it's a slow mover for sure.
Dude, I found it. I just sent it, but like, dude, like, I'm telling you, like, the DraftKings has been increasing their revenue year over year, consistently since 2020, and they're consistently growing over like quarter after year under any state you look at it. But they're just spending so damn much getting people on the platform.
Yep, there's no question there.
I'm with you on stocks moving lower, by the way. So.
Yeah.
Unless like, my thoughts can be changed, but I'm still in that camp with you.
Well, I got a little peekaboo on Meta.
Oh, look.
42.
CoreWeave came back.
What is that from?
Dude, God, Costco's at a short squeeze.
Holy. Dude, there was no love on Costco for a minute.
No,
They like takes it all back in one day or what?
I wanted to buy it the other day and I didn't buy it, and now I'm regretting that because
That's sick,
it's
dude.
breaking the downtrend now. Their
All
growth
of a
was like
sudden.
they were up like 7%.
Dude, that's almost $100 from the lows right here. Jesus Christ! In 1, 2, 3, 4 days.
It's up 10% in less than a month. It's up 9% in a week.
Yeah. Diamond's still doing good. Oh, Nebius. My Nebius. Nebius back over Hundy. We'll double copy. What a turnaround on Home Teapot.
Watch NQ.
Oh, that alert on QCOM this morning for the dip under 177.
I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Right.
Oh, it's ripping over 180 now.
Oh, motherfucker, I have my alert at 175.53. Why?
Mine was at I think it was 176, like 85 or something. Stupid like that. But all right, I'm about to take this SPX book credit spread. Yeah.
Hey, we got back to 700 there.
Oh, there goes Q's.
There goes Q's. There we go. QQQ. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, when I looked at Qualcomm last night too, literally a dollar away from my ping. Whatever. Etsy made the
Netflix is
move.
like green.
You lie. Oh, the miners, gold miners reversing.
I gotta stop at entry on Q's, secure green trade. Not gonna let this one go red, but I mean, there's your 5-minute 21. It's just very slow.
Yeah. Is that it? Meta, I'm gonna close. Hoodie, tagging that gap one more time from the downside. At 643. Meta, you little punk.
That's like $40 out of the money. What is the call side? Like 60s, 70s. Is there premium on those? No.
Yeah, still a little weak here. I really think we're going down.
So ES data says we should take out high. I think he says we should take out low.
I'm fine with just being flat and just chopping all day.
Which way do we go?
I want to call credit spread, but I don't the premiums are
I so yeah, I was just looking at it and I was like, should I do it too?
So for SPX right now, you go $40 for put credit spread, you're going to get about 45 to 50 on your premiums right now. You go call credit spread, you're going to get about 15 to 20 bucks. You're getting about half the amount of premium if you do call side versus put side. So I'm in put side for right now. I like the internals on Vol D being stronger and SPY having relative strength over QQQ. So I feel a little bit more confident doing the put side on that side, along with the premiums only being on put credit spread and not call credit spread right now.
If we can't close above 705 in the next 10 minutes, I'm shorting this.
I think this 15-minute squeeze is going to fire it upside eventually.
Why looks like it wants to go.
I know.
No, like they look good, but they're slowing down here. You're getting some upper wicks.
Reclaimed yesterday's low and held.
You mark my words, 690.60 coming.
SPY looks a lot better than Q's with like it looks ready that it wants to break out right now.
Q's like internals actually about to flip right here. So
they did. It just flipped positive on the previous candle.
I want to see them break that 705 and hold it.
Yeah.
On NQ.
Part of me thinks this is the swing long from right here for the next 2 weeks.
It would be a perfect retest on the Q's.
Get through the data tomorrow. Well, you get through the data tomorrow. You look at the back test. It's
That's the thing. You gotta get through data.
and then it's probably a run up into earnings season.
Yeah.
Pretty off topic, but I know some won't care about this. The Dolphins fired Mike McDaniel.
Good.
God, that's like 8
Because he sucks.
8 coaches now.
I don't know. We're not here to talk about the Dolphins. We don't need to talk any further than that.
Let's talk about how the Giants are still going to mess up who they pick. And how the Jets are still the worst team ever.
Is Oscar on fire or something?
It's going up, yeah.
Because I'm down like 175% on my cover calls.
Well, it had the gap up. It dipped into the 16s, and now it's at 1750.
Hell yeah.
The Democrats were pushing through a vote for the Texan subsidies.
Yeah, today is actually that vote. Like, so they passed something yesterday for the vote today. So yes, the vote is today for the ACA, and then it moves on to the next branch.
That can only be one thing.
And they're looking at a 2 to 3 year extension.
Let me give you a 2 to 3 extension.
Mama. Okay, they're weakening in this.
No, I think they're gonna go take out ID low and NQ, and then we can go higher.
It's okay.
Yeah, can hold up. They should take out ID higher.
It's gonna be all right.
I'm covering half of my short here.
A lot of NVIDIA 190 calls coming in. Some sells as well, but more calls at the ask
than the ones being sold at the bid. 190s for February 6th and February 13th. Looks like hedges, but premiums just like $2 to $3 million more on call side. There can only be one thing. Choose the gummy on my creek.
Whoa.
Late night when you want me to. Never mind.
To what?
Stick it.
Where?
Guys, just to put into reference
I like
on
it.
Lockheed, this is the largest Lockheed move in 2.5 years.
Oh, damn.
Is it really?
Yeah, the stock doesn't move like that.
No, yeah, not at all. What is it at right now? I got it off my screen after I sold it.
Tested previous day high.
Oh yeah, 534. Yeah, that was a great thing to see at 4:15 last night.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I'm up 50 points on the short here, putting a stop in profit at 660. Bring it low.
I will say on this downside candle, you're not getting a downside move on the tick.
I'll give you a tick.
Please.
Oh.
Please.
Your vol D is positive. See if what I want to see is it back test the zero line, the internals, and then hold positive. It accepts back underneath. Could get yucky, but your tick is still holding above the zero line, mainly on all 5-minute candles. But then again, it's internals the first like 2 hours. Every session this week, there's always been some kind of crazy divergence.
I'm going to be loading put spreads, and I mean loading. Loading.
Yeah, I want put spread.
Freaking loading.
Oh, the boat.
They're going to be everywhere. I'm going to be loading.
Nas, do you ever roll them?
My puta spreads?
Just credit spreads in general.
No, not really. No, I don't.
If you're down like 150%, and you're like,
Oh well, I would just
maybe
close it and then
reopen another
readjust.
one
Yeah,
separately.
yeah, that's
That's
fine.
what, because I almost did that yesterday. Because the chart and everything was still valid, but I sent you the text message about like percentage wise, completely broke my rule. But the chart was still valid. I was like, man, I still want to stay in it. It's just the premiums on these strikes right now, and I was like, I could just roll and go a little bit farther out for the strikes, but I was like, I don't think I've ever rolled a 0 DTE credit spread before. And if it's even worth doing, it's probably more beneficial just to close it out and then re-enter maybe a little bit higher if you can later on. UPS cranking. Yeah.
I'm taking it.
Oh.
621 QQQ. Cranking that Soja boy?
Yo, I mean, yo, UPS brown box truck.
Okay.
Delivering stacks of cash.
Okay, I'm looking at put spreads. Let's go.
I'm already in, Daddy-o. That dip right there, that was from Jesus.
That was from Jesus himself.
Yes, it was.
Hmm.
I hope you guys ate that dip because I'm pretty sure I just went minus like 80% on my credit spreads, and now we're back to entry. So let's go.
I nibbled.
100% on UPS.
Oh, fuck you, man.
M&Q short, 10-minute green.
Yeah!
What the fuck? He said everyone else was nah.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I love it. All right. Can these UPS 110s go in the money? This would be insane. This makes up for not swinging Apple puts.
I swung the apple puts.
I know that was a hell of a freaking chart. UPS the 110s for February at $1.80 are now at 340 here, almost up 100% for me. Almost.
I'm rolling this.
Stop texting me these 694 spy calls. Why are you?
Here we go.
Oh yes, it's time. It's time.
Oh, I gotta turn the cues already.
Oh, here we go, baby. Remember what I said, 690.6 on the spoozy woozies.
On the hooey hooies?
Yeah. I'm green on the credit spread now. Let's go.
I'm up 70% on the calls already.
Let's fucking go. Gotta break this same spot again. Serve. I have not looked at serve today.
No, just look at the depot today.
Serve. Huge daily gap. Still in a week.
I started feeling crazy the other day. I almost longed Adobe, and I just I don't know.
Yeah,
I
you're
almost longed Adobe.
Yeah, you're
had
reaching.
to walk away. Emotions creeping in or something.
I won't trade that one anymore.
Remember we looked at that on chart yesterday?
On.
Yeah. Did it
Broke 50. It's up to
did it break the
3%.
cycle? Yeah. Is it? Yep. Just over top of it right here. Yeah, that weekly chart, that one's looking good.
It's heavy resistance on Meta. I'm fucking being dumb here. But we'll see.
Joyoto.
Let it bounce off that halfback. 638.
I know. I've taken 2 Meta longs so far.
What's happening to VRT? It was a short yesterday. What's it doing today? Oh my Lanta.
It's up, Ski?
Oh my.
No.
No, it's not.
No.
Hey, watch the video here.
Holy VRT.
Oh my.
There goes the apple.
Come on, baby. Pop it for me.
Papa for real.
Pop it for the squad. I got my safety trim yesterday on Airbnb, and then they came back down like minus 14%, and now they're about to come back to entry. So still in these watch calls. SPX 6930. Ready? Set. Go.
Yeah, like Spy is so much better. Spy is already at high a day, and Q is not.
Get ready for a new high.
Eyes in the gap.
Obviously, IWM, good. I don't know, man. I'm usually going to give me an entry at some point today.
Costco weekly candle. Does Harris Teeter have a stock?
Who the fuck is that?
Are they publicly You don't know Harris Teeter?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah, no.
Is that your uncle, Bull?
Uncle Harris.
Uncle Harris B.
Yeah.
Tater.
Tater. What's up, Tater?
Harry P. Tater. No, they don't.
I thought you say his name's Harry Peter.
I mean, yeah. Wait, so you know Kroger, but you don't know Harris Teeter?
Dude,
Well, everybody knows the Krogers.
grocery stores are, I mean, there's all kinds of wild ones, man.
Where's Lowe's Foods? You guys go to Lowe's Foods?
Never heard of it.
What?
Dude, we don't have that shit. I have Safeway.
What is Safeway?
Exactly.
That
See?
sounds like a gas station.
It does sound like a gas station. I know what Safeway is though, but it does sound like
Sounds
this.
a storage unit.
Yeah.
See?
You
Grocery
know,
stores, dude.
Publix is the best.
I don't know that one
Their
either.
subs are
I've
good.
heard of it.
You know Publix?
I've heard of it. I've never seen one. I guess maybe like in Florida.
Publix.
I drove by.
Yeah, we got a shitload of Publix around
Yeah.
here.
You know what everyone has? Walmart
Publix
is
is
the greatest company in the world.
That is true.
That's
Publix is private stock.
Look at what they're doing to my hoodie, man. Go for it. Just take her down. Have at it. Fuck it.
Here comes Mace back with the short.
Short green cover red, baby.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta
I
see
mean,
this 10-minute close under 670, the pre-market low.
I'm digging the chop on Spy right here.
My meta.
Trader Joe's, we do have one of those here.
We do have Trader Joe's.
And Whole Foods. I was just talking about
Whole
how,
Foods.
I had just 5 bananas delivered overnight.
Nanners.
We don't like
Yes,
those guys.
5 freaking bananas they delivered overnight. That's it.
I don't believe anybody goes to Trader Joe's exclusively for groceries.
No.
No.
Well, it's like people don't go to Buc-ee's.
No, you
for gas.
can't.
You
Let's
go
not
to
throw money
Safari.
out the window.
No, I just feel like they only sell snacks.
I feel like they.
I go there and I go to cheap.
I go to Trader Joe's for like
Trader Joe's
specialty
is
stuff.
Good Moscato.
Honestly, like I could just live off of that.
Dude, we have a place here called World Market, and
Yeah.
you can get
They used to be costs less over there.
dude, absolutely an amazing store. I get so many
Nah, they got that close.
drinks and everything
Jesus.
like all over the world. It's
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm at Wilbur too.
like, God.
Break it down.
Oranges from them.
Give me,
D back negative.
Yeah.
give me my spread. We're coming down.
What's that?
You go to Hooters just for the wings.
You could have.
You know, I would.
Oh,
For
man.
the Buffalo Joe.
I love
Do they have
Buffalo.
do they have the big mugs of beer? They're cheap. I told
Dude, Roll QD went. It was like,
Dude,
it's gonna be great. It's like,
salad.
he went way down.
Dude, it's insane. It's the only thing that's dragging ass. I've only been to Hooters one time, and I was a kid, and I think I was 10 years old, and we won a championship, and our coach took us there after
That's funny.
the game.
He's like, "Come on, boy."
It was his favorite restaurant.
It was his favorite restaurant.
Oh, Mita, you are live. Hello.
You grew up and you were like, this guy.
Dude, I'll never forget one of the kids on my soccer team. His name was Greg, and when she came over to get our drink order, he legit. We're 10 years old, by the way. Well, I think he was maybe 11 or 12, and he legit looked at her in the face and pointed his finger straight at her breast, and he said, "I'll take some of your milk." I swear to God.
Oh my
Wow.
god.
I will never forget that day. It was freaking hilarious as a kid. That is
I had something similar happen.
the only time I ever went to Hooters. And the last time.
Alrighty. Guys, I am done. Enough of
He's
that.
Guys, I'm out.
Minx is like, I'm done trading with these guys for the day. This is stupid. Minx is like,
I'm
Hooters
trying
opens
to like
in
teach
10 minutes. I'm
something in my
going.
Discord, and then all I'm hearing is Hooters, and I'm like, all right, I don't want to say that accidentally over there. And no, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Sounds good, Macy.
All right, bye.
Bye, Minx.
Bye.
Take it easy.
Get her away.
I'm just kind of riding some meta calls still. It's grinding higher. It's about to hit this 50-day. That's pre-market high right there. I probably can exit. That's a heavy rejection. Yep. As I'm speaking.
NASDAQ can't get out of its own way right now. Amazon's still looking the
Yeah, she's fine.
best out of most. Apple's near the lows.
HDZ probably trim.
Dow. Oh no, this is kind of set up for a go nowhere day.
Oh, it's the day before NFP. It's usually go nowhere day, but
That's
we've
kinda
gone
what
somewhere.
I'm
That's the
hoping
thing.
for. Yeah, we actually had some decent actions. Ooh, why didn't anyone swing this short?
What?
Dell in the CR. Oh,
I
dude.
swung very short.
25-point gain MNQ covered half.
Dude, Dell looks terrible. Oh my goodness, look at that chart.
I don't want to look at my other one. Wait.
I mean, 111.50 just coming up next, under 115 here.
How's crowd? Oh, crowd with the fat rejection. And
What's
the
that?
dirty dog. iDubbbz is coming back into prior day high after
Oh.
hitting daily range high.
Where's Knots?
I'm not here.
MU, you want to swing some puts? I know you took it and liked it for longs. Can we flip it and reverse it?
I wanna
I was
swing.
saying earlier, you could probably short it up there, or that was at 330.
No, I want to
daily-
swing for longs when it gets to about 3. I mean, you probably no, you definitely could short it.
280.
I want to start around like
280.
no, I want to start a little higher.
I have 270, 280.
Yeah.
Looking
It's
at
the bill
weekly,
breaker in reverse.
on your daily, you're probably going to look for closer to 300 cycle level.
I have like
a bill
293.
Down to
April told me.
I got about
Actually,
293 on
fuck me,
MU.
She uses a bill breaker at 625 down to 580. Son of a bitch.
Oh, you guys already took MU puts? What the fuck?
Yeah, a lot of my crew had MU puts like yesterday.
Oh, Bishop did.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, Bishop.
Just now?
That bish.
I don't know. Someone said that Bishop sent 330s. They're almost $70 in the money now.
Yeah.
Oh, good job for you, Bishop.
That bish.
That bish. I still think it looks good.
Oh, yeah, he opened them out of the gate this morning.
Oh, hell yeah, Bishop. Nice. February 20th swings. God, they're pricey.
Now, looks like he opened them at like 280.
280 puts for February are 950.
He got them for January 9th. He got weeklies.
He's insane.
That's the only way you can really trade this thing because they are so expensive further out. Because the daily range is nasty.
Okay, what about January 16 300s?
Sure.
That could be a day trade
Sure.
continuation in a small swing. I mean, because this thing, look how
It's
the
a,
weekly.
it's a day trader, dude. Unless you're picking it up at that 280 and you're like ultra snipe massive confluence,
Yeah.
it's really rough because you have to get the move. Otherwise, you just get crushed.
Bishop freaking crushed that thing. This thing's still dying. IWM
Here we go. Let's get Bill Breaker 600.
is dying.
Yeah, I'm looking for my put spreads once we get new lows. I wish I still had my short on. Damn.
Hub spot.
All right, 50-point gain. MNQ covered a quarter.
HubSpot's hitting daily trend line right now. Evening Star. That's a very interesting part.
Take out the IV low.
HubSpot.
No, we don't want HubSpot. Look at Hoodie. New lows. Take her down. How about it?
And Shorty got low.
Nicholas sweatpants.
Distress.
Turn around and give IWM a smack. Hey. Yeah,
Whoa.
NVO looking good.
We're about to get low.
What is this? Ticker GDS. Ooh. GDS $47 call, 6/18, 2026 coming in. Someone bought 2,854 contracts at 470 for 1.34 million. Stock is having a really good day, up 5.37% at 41.50. Weekly chart looking pretty explosive right here. At least to get back up to the top of the range, closer to 44, 45 bucks. After that 50 cycle level.
I'm trying to hold that 616, which I think dies.
Meta's fighting. Amazon's holding. Oh, I wanted 618.5 to go on. Whatever. Jeez.
Shorty.
I would prefer just to have a nasty bloody red day tomorrow though, to go long at the close. I do have to say.
On the Qs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they like slap the 615 or something.
Yeah, if that's what I'm looking for. If we close down here between 620, 618, I think we'll see that small little move down, little continuation, hit 16, hit 615. Everyone's watching that pennant or the trend lines right now on QQQ on the daily chart, and it runs right through 615. I think that's going to be a potential just hammer fucking long.
Yeah, that is my
Look at
legit
this.
level.
Look at this SPY right at the same spot again. Look at this candle. Vol D, new high of day. You ready for this? Dude, look at the 15-minute candlestick that's about to close and the previous 15-minute candlestick on the spot.
Yeah.
Tell me we aren't about to just fucking explode to new high of day once this thing closes.
It's possible.
Trail stop hitting prof there and then keep.
Yeah.
Look at fucking Kratos, dude. Why is it trying still? Oh, what? Dude, Uber is. I don't want to fucking be Uber right now. It's bullshit.
Everything is telling me we're going there. Right there. Look.
Where?
Right there.
Where? I think I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna pull a Minxie. Because this is good. Yeah, we're coming into Euro closing about 30. Meta, I would love to see a meta reversal, but it didn't quite get to my spot, although it's probably good enough. Amazon at the highs.
Do we hold?
I think we pin it, dude. You fucking pin it right there. Closing price SPY today 690 spot 06.
Hey, that's what I said.
Really?
Yeah, 690.60.
Oh, 06.
Oh, 06. No, I think we're going new high of day will just take us to 690.60.
Oh, that's like not even that big of a move. So that's fine with me.
Yeah, that should just trigger my order on SPX to trim out half. Lux Algo midpoint of the order block above is 690.09. We can just rip through this. 15 minutes, still in the same squeeze. Everything's still showing upside.
Knots.
Yo.
HD, new high.
Mm.
The fuck,
She's a cool kid. A good looking.
And the spreads on my contracts are still disgusting. But we're well over a double here on swings. Day trades would have been crazy.
It's time to draw emojis on the chart. You ready?
Do I go long Apple at the close? Who fuck
Emoji has been placed on
Amazon Friday high.
Apple 270s look really appetizing.
Fuck 270s. Let's go 260s. 270s too much. I feel like
you're going. How far out you're going?
I feel like we could bounce, retest 260 and get rejected again. Because honestly, like 235s are where I would be buying Apple personally, but not really before, unless it's like just full blown reversal.
Oh, there's a sticker right here that has Jesus and it says "Buy the dip." I'll put that on the chart. Here we go. All right, there we go.
It's an outside day and a half for the depot. Then you just let it ride.
Yeah, tomorrow will be the tariff talk.
And NFP. So it's like double whammy. Oh, Nike reversed. There it is. Boom, boom.
What am I expecting to come out of the tariff talk? Not much. I think they're just going to talk about tariffs.
Not much. It's literally what it sounds like.
I
hold it high.
I'm going to post the slide chart at the top of the nest, just showing people what I see. The first one's going to show the 15-minute chart that's had the squeeze building all morning, showing bullish signs. And I love that the internals have been bullish on Valdi all morning as well. And then the 5-minute chart right there with Jesus saying buy the dip and then the magnet to the target.
Yeah, I need to get a put spread here now. I don't know.
That's up 20%.
Yeah, I just remembered.
What's that?
There's a 2x leverage Costco from leverage shares.
There is?
Oh yeah, COTG. I bet it's going crazy. God.
Oh boy, it's up almost 10% today. I think at one point it was
10%.
filled this gap. Oh my gosh! Shout out leverage shares. I forgot about that one.
If you guys could only use one 2x product for the remainder of your life, which one would it be?
TSLL. They don't have a 2x Walmart yet, so
Yeah, I'm taking TSLO as well.
you're not
crazy
taking
how
K.
everybody said that.
You're not taking K-Top.
No, KTUP is awesome, but Kratos has more 5% moves than just about every stock. You know, like,
Well,
I mean,
I like TSLG, lower expense ratio.
Yeah, that was my pick. Yeah.
honestly, I think last year it was Hims that had the most 5% moves. I'm going to figure that out.
Hims did go back and forth like 10 times in like a 2-month span. Up 8%, down 7%. Up 10%, down 10%.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm gonna call it for now.
Is he out? He's out.
See you on the next one. Yeah,
All
I got
right.
some errands to run for
See you
now.
later, Pippo.
Late. Love ya.
Love you, brother.
Later, Gator. Bye. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. All right. Anyone in AMD puts? Not I. What's it doing? I mean, guys, why are you looking at puts at like here? I think you're a little late to the party for the AMD puts. Amp's already up like 400%. I'm already out. Yeah, he's out. You already made a bag. Oh, that was my pick for the week too, wasn't it, Jordan? I just remembered that.
Which one?
Short AMD.
Oh, was it? It was, huh?
Yeah.
Did you do like short AMDL or something? Or
No, I just did short AMD and
got it.
I can't remember if I went long Nubank. I can't remember the other one.
I don't even remember what I did. Did I just run it back the same? I don't even remember.
No,
what I did.
Knots came on and gave a whole diatribe on a stock that you didn't even pick.
I know I picked.
Knots did an
Very long.
8-minute breakdown of Rivian just to not even have it picked.
You guys know CleanSpark, CLSK?
Yeah.
We saw 150 days last year where this name had a 5% move or more. To put that into perspective, there's 252 trading days in 2025.
Yeah.
Hey, whoever was talking about the tariff stuff earlier, it is going to be really interesting because I think the last I looked on Polymarket, it was like 70+% chance of being overturned. So definitely something to keep an eye on.
Wait, what has a 70% chance?
The Supreme Court ruling on the tariffs, like 70, it was like 70-something% chance of getting struck down or whatever.
And when does that come out again? Do you know?
Tomorrow.
Nice. Tomorrow's going to be a very eventful day.
Yes.
What time is all that going to start taking place, you know? I do not know what time the Supreme Court decision will be. Let me see what I can find. Dude, SPY and this order block cannot get along.
4 hour.
Yeah.
Guys, it looks like the spaces with the Palantir employees will be moved to next week on Tuesday. I will be nonstop posting about that before it comes.
Wait, who?
Palantir Technologies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, keep me posted. I want to listen to that one.
Oh, I'm really excited for this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
I want to drop some details, but I'm gonna keep it a surprise.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you keep it ominous.
You guys should though drop a comment on the space and let me know who I should talk to. Try to find more interviews and give me some ideas of companies that you want to talk to. Please don't go spamming Elon. But interesting companies and interesting people inside of companies to talk to. I'll try to make them happen.
Love that.
So if the court goes against tariffs, does that equal bullish?
No, not really.
Not necessarily. Evening star here, SPY, 5 minute off the top of the range. We're back to some VWAP, but watch for next 5 minute candle downside. It says that, I'm just reading something right now, trying to figure out more of a time when this could take place. It says decision could impact $150 billion in tariff refunds. Let me see. No one's talking about like what time this can be potentially be taking place.
That's 10 a.m.
It's 10 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's why tomorrow's gonna be big.
Okay. So 10 a.m. Eastern. Dude, so I'm just gonna take 0 DTE, Tesla, and SPX, call and put exact same time. One of them is gonna go like 500%.
Oh, there will be a big move.
Administration tariff talk on China, Mexico, Canada, and other countries. So yeah, that will be interesting tomorrow. A flow on ticker U, $55 calls, February 20, 2026 coming in. Just repeated orders, smaller ones, and lots of like 1 to 500. Overall, about 800,000 at the ask, 280,000 at the bid. Unity Software getting a pop right now in this 5 minute candle to the upside. Again, it's 55 calls for February 20th is the flow. Arrow putting in a Morningstar reversal, reclaiming POC. In a huge squeeze right now. Look at this name on the daily. Massive squeeze building right here on this name.
Damn,
I like this.
Don't know what I want to do here. Like, this isn't bullish. And I don't want to get in too early.
SPY is just bouncing at VWAP again after rejecting the order block again for the third time. Let's see if third time's the charm. They can bounce it here. Those contracts are cheap. They started buying about $1.40 and they just bought some more at 160. Yes, plus NFP tomorrow. So
It's a big day.
I'm not going to be doing a lot tomorrow, just mainly watching and letting volatility and headlines just play out.
Yeah.
Might be able to scalp the reactions and catch some quick momentums intraday, but other than that, I'm not going balls to the wall on a Friday like that.
Tesla's still holding up really good today. Got choppy, but
Still on.
Retrained previous day low. Doesn't look horrible.
Come on.
Such beautiful range. Wish I took those 610s.
Bring it down.
I still think we take ID low on NQ and then we go higher.
I think so too. I think we're at this point. I think we're just gonna get a new low and then rip.
I did think it was going to happen faster than this, though.
Come on, bro. Take this motherfucker down.
Dude, am I about to open up a call sign and do a condor or something?
Oh. That would have been honestly nice. Call side an hour ago. Fuck.
There's just no premiums on the call.
I know. There's barely premium on the call side an hour ago. I was looking at them. There wasn't really much to work with. I mean, there was like 624s on TQQ, but that's risky as fuck. I don't know. I didn't like that personally, but guess it would have worked out well.
High risk, MNQ short, bill breaker.
So when are we logging Apple?
Oh
my God.
After
I'll tell you.
Gavin,
Me and Paper were talking about it this morning.
Maybe when
I
they
would-
stop charging $3,000 for a pair of headphones.
I
Yeah,
think
I
they're
think-
kind of perfect.
I think
Everybody's
any of our
scared.
Mag 7 names or top index, kind of holdings. This is just what I do pretty much every year. But whenever the yearly candle turns red, I just buy long term. I did this last year for Google, 159. It's at 327. What else? Microsoft, Meta, So any DeFi yearly red candle, I think it's fantastic.
And Apple is also down 13.5% from the highs.
I'm looking for a 254, 253 break. Once that alert goes off, I'm gonna start looking to buy Apple.
Yeah, just
Not
from
gonna lie, I rolled a lot of, and I don't want to say roll, that's not the right term. I sold a lot of Apple and bought a lot of Google last year. And in retrospect, I'm very glad I did that.
Yep, googly doogly.
Yeah, just from a technical perspective, I mean, if you're looking at Apple on a bigger time frame, that weekly, and you have like previous all-time high mark, that 260, I feel like a lot of traders are trying to buy that, and they're like, let's scare those traders a bit and rug it even more, and maybe fill that weekly gap. Which, interesting enough, that gap we have that from October 13th that week, if you just like mark that and look left, it lines up perfectly with the gap we had previously, which has already been filled. But to me, that's just double confluence up there for bidders. So I like that 252 area, 253, like Casey was saying. I just think it's like, I mean, you hear everybody talking about it. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, Apple looks so scary. And it's like, a lot of people are trying to buy that previous all-time high. And if you bought previous all-time high, you're probably a little uneasy right now. Maybe get
Ticker
out.
CMPS trimmed out some of those calls yesterday, small, for
Nice.
January 2028. That name is absolutely ripping right now. The calls are only up 26%, but that is because the bid and ask spread due to this volatility is $130 wide.
Damn.
Yeah, my bid right now is 290. My ask is 420. So yeah, so hopefully this volatility kind of dies off here if it starts to slow down, and I can get a fill and see how much I can try and sell them for.
Honestly, I'm considering selling some Apple and buying some Amazon.
Amazonian.
You know, I think that, like, because we have such a very high level culture with lots and lots of experts that come and speak on the panel regularly. I think a lot of these guys that come and speak here know exactly precisely what they're doing to a T, you know, to the dollar. And I think that it creates like a culture of people, like when they're looking to buy stocks, they're like worried about their allocations and worried about smaller things. You know, at the end of the day, I think that the guy who's buying stock is going to do a lot better in 5 years than the guy who's not buying stock, even if he's not necessarily managing each position to a specific portfolio allocation and doing everything exactly by the books like a lot of the panelists here do.
Yeah.
Dude,
But honestly, I like the
weekly.
It's chopping up this premium.
I like the thesis on Amazon to 3 trillion. I'm not gonna lie.
Trilly milly.
Get them out.
Dude, I don't know what to do.
I'm still
I just should have taken those spreads initially. Fuck.
I'm still thinking SPY is gonna make a new high today. We're ping ponging back. I mean, we're chopping.
I think that happens as well.
I don't like the other sectors in SPY are strong. The back tested support and bounce. Like I don't think it goes much of anywhere, but I'm not looking for downside.
There it is. 45% CMPS. Premiums are adjusting here.
Compass.
There we go. All right, now the bid is 380 and the ask is 420. I'm gonna see if I can get a fill for $400 on these contracts. And they filled me. Bing, motherfucking bong. These are for January 2028. Let's go. There you go, JT. Just had to get 1 5-minute red candle on CMPS. Just trimmed at 380 from 280. Nice. Great work. I sent this one out on X yesterday as well. Just the update, because we've been sitting these for a minute. And I will send the next update now. That is one of the best daily and weekly charts right now in this entire stock market. That is a beautiful breakout. All right, should be in the nest. There's the updated chart.
Heat map's pretty green. Tech and semis are red, but everything else is green. Consumer discretionary, financials, state consumer staples, Walmart's red, I guess. But slightly.
They're gonna send us lower before we go higher. I am in the camp of being bullish. It's just,
Me too.
yeah, they keep killing it every time. Like I said, I think it's one of those days where they tap the lows and then instantly buy it back. Kind of like some of those days where I remember one time last week I said they're gonna tap the highs and then pull it back in, and they did that. Yeah, I literally I get that same exact notion here. They may go for like 545 on NQ and then pull it right back up. So I'm gonna look for longs and put spreads. Holy shit, HD is HDing. Paper is right. Core weave wasn't. Come on, get the hell up there. You're almost at highs. Like, get the hell, get the. What the hell? What the helly? Mama. Smoking up. Come on, bro. Just do the move one way or the other.
Whoever just said we're gonna see new lows before new highs, I hope you stub your pinky toe on the corner of the couch later.
I probably will. I probably will.
Alex is like, go hit his minus 200% stop loss so I can get in.
I probably will stub my pinky toe.
I'll hold again minus 300%, then I'll double down just because of that.
So you know what? I think that's rude that you want me to stub my pinky toe. I just might do it.
Man, I haven't taken I think that's the only trade I've taken for January 2028.
That sounds crazy when you say that.
Right?
Honestly, as dumb as this is going to sound, it still sounds crazy that all 2025 options are expired. More than a couple weeks.
Isn't it crazy that Nuketown 2025
Is now in the past.
Oh my goodness, that is right.
When I saw that,
I saw so many people post that.
Newtown 2025. Oh,
I think they were a little over optimistic on how fast we would progress.
Yeah.
M's not gonna like this.
2025 was ages away.
Walmart puts coming in, which is strange because Walmart looks very good right now, going back into the highs. But 97.5 puts for 6/18/2026. Unusual flow just came in. Someone bought 2,100 contracts at 2.35 at the ask for $500,000. And yes, new lows on hubs still selling. Night hubs. Says Scott.
Come on. Come on. I know we're gonna do it.
Chill.
We're gonna do it. You know we're gonna do it too, you silly goose.
I honestly have no. Vol DQ is back positive and just made a new high of day.
We're going to zero. We're going to zero. Market's dying today. It's over.
No, dude, there's no way. It wouldn't make sense right now if we sold off.
Yes.
No.
I
Take
don't
a
know how to
spending
make
more.
it make sense that like I'm bullish, but I need to.
I know. I know. I'm bullish too.
Well, yeah, that's why I'm in a call credit spread or in a put credit spread and not taking calls right now.
I sound so bearish, but I'm bullish at the same time.
That's exactly how I trade. It's like, every morning I'm waking up and it's generally like, okay, if I'm bearish, I want to see us move higher before lower. And it's the same thing, vice versa. If I'm bullish, I'm generally looking for a move lower before.
And it's going to happen within the next 5 to 10 minutes here. We're going to get under this 610 that has been haunting us here. And here we go. Here we go!
And it's time. What spreads you? Looking at like, I know you're doing probably MDX, but I'm just looking at like 612.
You ready for this little dip and then a rip? Get ready.
My brother Jaron just said the same thing. I'm looking for a liquidity sweep below and then enter a bullish credit spread. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm already in it. Notch just wants me to go significantly red.
No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
I don't know. IWM giving a little nice recovery on the dip.
Yeah, IWM going new highs.
Qs does look like trash. SPY is flat. It's just your tick is still spending the majority of the time above the zero line. VIX is not selling, and now Vol DQ is positive, highest move of the day, and Vol D has still been positive, cruising up higher all day. This is the opposite setup from yesterday. We were seeing the exact opposite on the internals yesterday. I didn't trust the move up, and then caught the flush on the back half of the session, and then swung some of the puts. Now we're seeing the exact opposite of that right now, with Vol D now cruising up higher, but SPY isn't cruising up higher, and then Vol DQ is flat, but now flipping bullish. But overall, Qs looks very weak, so it's not really lining up. But its internals are telling me we are neutral to bullish.
Like, let's say like, okay, I'm wrong, and we don't take up the lows, and we start ripping. Well, there's a clear line in the sand. I mean, if we break the previous high structure and are breaking momentum, like, we're gonna go to the highs. That's telling us we don't need to go to the lows. For me, so it's just like clear line in the sand. If we're breaking structure over the structure we have just made in this range, then okay, I'm wrong. Take it. Let's see.
Slow grind out here,
They're
guy.
taking a while on either end, though. What's up, Will?
Hey guys, good morning. Sorry, I wasn't on. Didn't have the mic, but I wanted to send some charts while you're in there.
No,
Had a
you're
nice
good.
day going and Vanquish, another one. Back
Let's
to
go.
back.
I hesitate. I didn't sell spreads this morning, and I should have.
So I sold the 68.55s on that push down to 69.05, 68.55, 68.25, pretty far out there. And then when we pushed
On
up,
SPX?
yeah, and SPX.
God,
And
you
then-
sniper.
And then here's the crazy part. As we rallied up a little bit, I was trying to actually sell the 69.60s.
That's what I was trying to get in, and I couldn't get filled, so I had to go up a strike and do the 70s.
So here's what's crazy. Right before the market started to move up, I accidentally bought it. It was a call spread because in Vanquish, when I moved the strikes around, I flipped it. So then I closed that for a profit and then flipped it and sold the 69.60s, 69.85s.
Nice.
I'm having a nice back-to-back days, almost 4 digits in the Vanquish. Got to clear this 5K. I'm getting close.
Let's go.
Yeah, and the reason I picked, so it's like, why did I pick those strikes? I just picked basically the bottom of, I went basically $10 outside of the lower trend line in SPX, which was like 69 or 68, 65, 68, 70. So I figured if we faded, that should be some area of support, and we had the moving averages below us. So that's why I picked those strikes.
Rivian, stick, new high a day, going for 21. Let me see if there's volume behind this. There is, with volume behind that.
Was there news on it?
That's trying to see if there is. I'm not seeing.
Piper Sandler increased the price target from 14 to 20.
Oh,
And
hell yeah.
I think that was the only news I see. I don't see anything else on it. Recall. How's it? I guess we've got to maintain neutral by Piper Sandler. I guess they raised their price target.
Bullish to neutral. You know, when I was in CVNA, 400 puts.
Bill breaker here,
downside.
28-point gain. MNQ covered half.
Yeah.
And then filled the gap. I should have flipped it long. This chart is ridiculous. Back to 455.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
The longer the 15-minute squeeze doesn't fire upside and it starts to curl downside, that's the only thing that will worry me is if it does start to curl downside and then fire downside, you'll probably see 686.70 on SPY.
Yeah,
Give me a lower
Nasdaq's
low.
getting taking the heat, man.
Yeah,
Order
Nasdaq's
low
been
right here.
dragging his
You see-
ass all morning.
I couldn't hear you, Casey, but I'm sure you saw I tagged you in that Apple chart.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna we're gonna talk about it for the rest of the year. Like, how did we miss that one?
I know, right?
Still had opportunity to get in, but it was. I mean, I looked at it, if this thing breaks, but you know that's the other thing when you're trading a lot of different products and you're looking at different stuff. Sometimes you get caught up in another trade or something else, and you forget to go back to it, and you can sometimes miss them, and that's okay. There's always more stuff to trade. There will always be another day.
So true.
This is true.
Come on. Come on.
Take out the lows.
Come on. I have to do some like mating calls or something.
Yeah.
If you're looking to go long, it's coming into right here.
On which on NQ?
On SPY and QQQ, we're just back testing the same exact area. SPY
Yeah, I
is
mean,
around
the,
688.50. QQQ's is 618.4.
We're about to do a victory screech. And then we go long. And then we go long.
And then we go long.
Yeah, the 21 on the daily for NQ is right here at 25,578. Yeah. So we
Puts on net coming in. I mean, the stock is already getting absolutely obliterated today. Stock is currently down over 7%. But if you want to see an ugly weekly chart that looks like it can get continuation about $10 lower, that's your guy. So watch that ticker. Yeah, watch ticker NET. Just some in the money 190s for the end of January 30th, 2026. Multiple orders on those.
Come on.
This range is
They took it just points. Just points away.
The fuck am I watching?
Did I not just tell you that was a long spot?
No.
I just went minus like
Ooh.
80% back to entry.
Rivian just had a major pop
That's,
and a drop.
oh, look.
Oh.
Look, I said if you wanted to do it.
No.
Look at SPY. Yes.
No.
Why is the futures account not pulled up for this shit? I would have been like 5 for 5 back and forth with this.
5 for 5.
That's that new Wendy's deal. They got rid of that. Man, I can't believe they got rid of the 4-4.
You cracked me up. That was fucking funny.
Yo, I need something today.
That's Pfizer doing it. Oh, it's finally trying.
Asian
See
style.
She's trying. The weekly chart is trying to show signs of life. You know that meme where it's like a giant red downtrend and then it's a small green uptick and then people are like, hell yeah.
Yes.
That's FISV Fiserv weekly chart right
Yeah.
now. Let's go.
They want to take it higher, we'll break structure over the highs and get ripping. I don't tell us they don't need those.
Nice move on Unity as well. Just still slow move higher. Volume point of control here intraday is 45.55. It just hit. So nice little move for continuation after that flow. Your hourly for the Morningstar reversal will close in 18 minutes. If it closes over 45.25, I really do like that. Again, huge daily consolidation. This thing is primed for expansion soon. LMT new low day. QQQ is about to rip fucking face. Come on.
I'm trying.
IWM high of day. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one right there, JT. That's the meme. I gotta save that to my computer.
I have to hop off here. I will be in chat. If you guys have any questions, please ask. Did just start a put spread, but I will be back. I have to get on another call at 12 as